Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Katrina Keys. You had her on docket for Friday for a bond violation, but she needed to come in and talk to you anyway, so she came today.
All right, pause here. This is a big deal. The judge is sending the defendant for a drug and alcohol test on the spot. Why? Because when you're out on bond for a DWI, even the hint of alcohol use can land you right back in jail. Notice how strict this is? Zero tolerance means zero chances.
I'm sending you for a drug and alcohol test right now, ma'am. But unacceptable. You're on bond for DWI and you're allegedly consuming alcohol.
No.
Yeah,
I spoke with the Scram people and she said that was not it. It's not an alcohol violation. She doesn't know if
alcohol
my,
was detected during both tamper events. But they cannot be confirmed because of the nature of the tamper.
I haven't had a drink since I was arrested, Your Honor. I've done everything this court has asked me to outside of looking for a job and everything. I have had no problems. I've called Scram about my device, because I have neuropathy swelling once it goes down. So she said it was loose. I asked them. The only thing that I did on Saturday and Sunday, which can be confirmed by my GPS monitor, I went to my son's basketball game. I left my house, went to my son's basketball game, from the game back.
Let's
I
do
have
this.
not done anything.
Lisa, do you mind sending her for a test right now, please? I'm going to send you for a test. You
Okay.
come back. Do you
No problem.
understand?
Mhm.
We'll deal with the violation when you come back.
Okay.
Just please take a seat.
We can just, for the DVR?
No,
Oh,
she
sorry, her drug test was presumptively negative, Judge.
ever test positive again, I'm going to keep you.
Judge, it was a scram temper.
Oh.
If you ever tamper with the device again, I'm going to keep.
Wow. Did you catch that? The judge just laid it out crystal clear. No more excuses, no more tampering with the monitor, or it's game over. What do you think? Should the judge be this strict, or do you feel the defendant deserves a little more slack? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this is where opinions split.
Keep you. I'm doing everything in my power not to revoke your bond. Do you understand? I don't care what it is. If there's a problem with your device, you need to go have it switched out, go get it looked at, but I will not entertain any more excuses from you. No tolerance. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay? All right.
Did she address my curfew? My lawyer was supposed to ask her about my curfew because I got a job and I started today. And the job is from 5 p.m. to 6 a.m. at Igloo. And I have the letter saying that I've been accepted for the job.
Does she have something open elsewhere as well?
She had a deed to open up in Austin County, Your Honor.
Still open?
It's not still open. I'm not sure if she plugged it or what happened, but looks like she's on probation now. For that one in Austin County.
You're on probation for DWI. You've not picked up another DWI. I don't want you driving in the middle of the night.
I'm not driving. I'm not driving.
That was just on March 26th, I think, Your Honor. Is when
Right,
she
I don't-
plugged for when that case was resolved. The year probation.
I resolved that case. And I,
You still have an open DWI and you picked up another DWI.
I didn't. I haven't done anything since before.
Don't talk. All I know is that you have a probation for DWI, you have an open DWI. The last thing I want is another death on my streets. And I'm going to do everything in my, I tell Pete, everybody tells me what I want to hear here.
I'm
And then
not.
when they get out there,
Before I took the job, I spoke with my lawyer.
It's keys.
I have someone that works there and they shuttle and I can get a ride. But right now, like I'm having a problem with getting my lights were turned off. The phone was turned off. I'm worried about monitoring. So I've been working very hard to find a job. This is the only job that I found and I need to work to survive, to pay my bills. I have to work. And with the background that I have, it's been hard for me to find a job regular 8 to 5. This is the only thing that was available. And then I made sure that there was a ride or a shuttle. They work in shifts. So 5, 6 people in my neighborhood work there. So I've secured a ride to and from work.
So, here's the bottom line. The judge is giving one last chance, but with a GPS monitor, strict work verification, and the threat of a sky-high bond if anything goes wrong. This is like walking on a legal tightrope. And just when you think the drama's cooling off, the judge shifts gears to a new defendant. Let's see what happens next.
Proof of employment that you actually have a job working
I
there.
have it, my lawyer have it, and I have the
Have
email
you
right
get
here.
with your lawyer. I want to see actual proof that you're working there. And then we'll put a GPS monitor on you,
I have a monitor, I have GPS monitor already.
exact address, so that we know that you're going to and from work. If you deviate in the slightest, and I don't care what it is, that'll be your third bond violation, and I'm going to lock you up. I will deem you a public danger and make your bond sky high. Do you understand?
Yes,
Okay.
the,
Chief Marie, I'll have you get with your lawyer and then they can get with pretrial.
and I start today. It starts today at 5 p.m., which is why she had me come today.
Okay,
Cool.
I'll have you get with Ms. Freedy. She can get with pretrial. You guys can work out the details.
All right, thanks.
Judge, would you like me to email that proof of employment to you or to pretrial?
No, to Felicia. And I
Okay,
don't know if you have her email address. I'll see if I can get it for you.
okay, please.
Uh,
I'll see if I